What's up, everybody? This is the Gamer Pro, and I am here today to do Plants vs. Zombies Garden Warfare. And yeah, I've been playing a little, but I haven't really done much off camera. So I'm gonna start. And yeah, so my goal today is 15 likes again. And let's go. Dun, 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 dun. Okay. Today I will be trying out other plants and zombies, okay? So I won't be only trying my normal, which is the foot soldier and the pea shooter. I'll show you guys all the other ones today. Leave distinct targets to your allies. Instead, the cactus is the best ranged fighter on the plant team. Deploy your zombies. Okay, whatever. It's going too fast. Okay, just load in. Go faster. Go faster. Yeah. Soon I'll be starting other Let's Plays, like if you guys want Minecraft and others. So today I'll be starting out with the engineer. Let's go. Oh. Okay, so the engineer, he shoots a concrete launcher, and when it hits someone, then it actually hurts them. Then he's got this thing, which is a gas grenade. He also has this robot thing that shoots like that. He also has a jackhammer that he uses to dodge the chompers. Yeah. Okay. So he's done. The zombies win. Yay, I barely did anything. Woo, I won. Okay. So, for the stickers today, I'm going to get this. This is a premium pack. Yep. Let's see. Oh, shout outs today goes to my mom and dad. Yeah. Oh, when I was playing by myself, I got the 2 highest top scores, and I also got, for the cool stats, I got Assist Master, First Strike Master, Heal Master, Revival Master, and Vanquish Master. All of those. It was fun. Truly was. No, Fright got the cool stats. Yeah, there you go. Okay, just looking at stuff. My throat hurts. Don't know why. It's really buggy. Yesterday I won first place in my state competition. Congratulate me. Everybody clap your hands. Clap your hands. Okay. So I'm going to check the time. Good, 3 minutes. That's okay. Okay, let's go. Oh, and guys, when I used to be recording these... Oh, crap, I used pea shooter. Okay, next time I'll die, I'll change it. Got it, guys? Wait. What the heck did I just do? I'm going to check. Oh, I nodded and... No. Okay, got it. Let's go. I figured out something. In my last couple of videos, I've been going in the treehouse to shoot. Well, I noticed that you get more kills when you stay on the ground. So I'm staying on the ground this episode. Tell me if I'm right or wrong, okay? Oh, nice. Death. Avenge me! Aww. Anyone around? Nope. Let's go. I found it really disturbing that the pee comes out of his, nose, because When it splats on the wall, here, I'll show you. It looks like a boogie. Oh, I did say next time I die, I'll change. Well, sorry I didn't at the time, but I'm almost dead. Yep, I'm dead. Okay, this time I'll be using, let's see. Chomper. Wait, I actually, oh crap, I used the respawn now again. Sorry. Yeah, let's go up here. There we go, I'm dead. Now I'll do it. Okay, I showed you that last episode. So I'll be doing sunflower. It might have been last episode, or it could have been a couple of episodes before that. But this guy heals people, like in the original. Well, he actually gives you sun. But this guy heals people. He also uses, he can place a plant to heal himself. It's really cute. And he can use a sunbeam, which is very powerful. Oh, he can also use sun pulse, which is this. It's also pretty powerful. Okay, see, I'm going to show you what sunbeam does once I get up there. Let's go. Watch. So, he places his roots in the ground, and he's like, die! Time to... Oh, and yeah, that's what the engineer does. Okay, now I'm going to go die, and then I'm going to show you cactus. Actually, I'll see... Oh, he also revives faster than any of them, as you just saw there. I'm going to try to kill as many people as I can. Whoa, 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 whoa. Okay, that's what I thought. He's not that powerful. He's just meant for having team support, team help. Okay, now I'm going to show you cactus. Cactus is like the engineer. He shoots spines like that. He can drop potato mines, which I guess you guys probably remember in the game, which are these things, and when you step on them, kaboom! Except it only works on zombies, and that zombie's dead right there. Crap. Let's see. Oh, he uses the tall walnut to guard him. I'm gonna break it because I have no need for it there. Seems to be a big battle over here. Oh, whoa, whoa, whoa. Who just fired that? Got your back. Got your back. Oh! That was awesome! We both went flying back and we shot each other at the same time. Did you see that? That scientist just completely passed that P. Okay, the last thing he does. Guess not. I'll show you that in a sec. Yeah! Nice. I need to die. Oh, you heal on your own if you're not in battle. Okay, let's go. Okay, I'm gonna be doing stuff like the Atlantic craft. Like, you know how they say a hashtag in the middle of their episode. Or any time of their episode that goes with the episode. So I'm gonna start doing that Dang it. Wow, I really sucked that game. That time I only got 2 kills. I'm better with zombies. And so, I will be saying a hashtag at the end of any episode. And yeah, just for fun. And then you guys spam up the comments with it. And I'll give it to you. Okay? And yeah, I'll give a shout out to you guys. Whoever does that. And I know you guys came to my channel for games, not a game. But I'll be doing Disney Infinity soon. See, I'll show you. These are my toy packs, my toys. Hope you guys saw that. Here, I'll double check. See, here's Lone Ranger, and here is Incredible. And so I'll be doing that soon with Drew. If you don't know who Drew is, his name's Green Ninja Craft, but he doesn't have a YouTube channel. That will be his YouTube channel. And yeah. So our first Disney Infinity will probably be Toy Story. Okay, so I'm on the zombies team. Time to do scientist. I want to do foot soldier so bad. It's because he's so good. Okay, so this guy goes like this. He teleports. See? He can set up that. And when the plants step on it, they go kaboom. And he can set up this, which is a healing station for people to heal. And let's go. Let's go. No, be careful, guy. I've got your back. Nice. We shot it out of the sky. This guy. Hit him. His weapon is pretty good. I just gotta say that. He went under. Oh, wait, no, he died. What's up, bro? Oh, I need to heal this guy. Heal. Okay, let's go. Let's go. Dun, 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 dun. Once I die, I'll change. But I haven't died yet, so I can't. Got him. I actually got a kill with this guy. I'm not that good with this guy. Oh no, he killed my friend. That guy was like my loyal and trusty. No, he killed another of my friends. Get the freak away from him. Gosh. Wow. Okay, I'm going to set up bombs up here. Be careful over this. Dude. I guess you don't want this. Good. You want it, don't you? Okay, let's go. Let's go. And why does that keep going in my head? Let's go. I turned off the sound because I didn't know if you guys liked. Let's subtract the plant up here. Let's go. Got him. Oh my gosh, this game is hilarious. The deaths in this are funny. Got him. Note that when you're in this game, whoa, help, ouch, no, get away, ow, peeking. Okay, since I died, it's time to change character. I'll be the All-Star, which is one of my favorites. It is hilarious. Okay, so he's got the football cannon, which has unlimited footballs, but it only does 1 damage when you shoot. Oh, 9 damage. Ow! This thing's great. He also can send this imp that blows up. No! Ew! What the heck just happened? He was like using the force with his mouth. It's sort of a weird thing to think of. So he uses this thing. He throws it at people and then it blows up, kills it. Oh, poor guy. Then here, when you're close up and you're getting beat to death, you can do this. Crap, come on. There we go. You come up to there. That was called a tackle. Football cannon time. Football cannon time. Football clementine. This guy's actually really powerful. Oh my gosh! That was awesome! Okay, I actually died. But that was really cool, you gotta say that. Okay, I have to vanquish 3 cacti with my primary weapon. Okay. And the last thing you can do is go like that. Sends up this guy, and he's like, you're dummy. It's a dummy. No! Oh no! That means my engineer friend is gonna die in a second. No! Zombies won though. That's okay. I'm probably not gonna get first place on that one. Not gonna get first place. Yeah, I got 4th place though. Pretty good. Sticker shop. Nope. See, I need 20,000 for this. I only have. Oh, Twig Mag is online. Okay. I won't bother with them. 14,000 for this. Yeah. Let's just wait for another. Oh, I need to check the time. Crap. Oh, 17 minutes. Okay. Actually, I'll end it. Okay, so this was Plants vs. Zombies. And I am Evan. And you are the viewers. And goodbye.